In this video, we'll look at how to remove the search button from your iPhone's home screen. With the release of iOS 16, Apple's made a few changes as to how your iPhone's screen appears and the features that it applies just by default. One of those changes is by adding the Spotlight search button here in place of where your home page dots used to be. If you'd rather have the home screen dots back instead of the search bar, this is how to do it. First, open the Settings app. Next, scroll down a bit until you see Home Screen and then select that. Inside of here at the bottom, you'll see the Search Show on Home Screen option. Tap the slider on the right to toggle it off. Now if we head back to our home screen, we can see that the Spotlight search bar is gone and the old home screen dots are back. And if you ever want to turn the search option back on, or if it wasn't on in the first place, you can just head back into the home screen settings page and toggle the option back on. And that's how you remove or add the Spotlight search bar from your iPhone's home screen.